You can actually make someone's monthly salary in a day using just two apps. I know the question will be, Leo, how possible would that be? But if you really want to know how possible, then don't go anywhere and stay tuned. Hi there, I hope you're doing well. It's Leo here again. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I'll be taking us step by step how you can be able to make someone's monthly salary in a day using just two apps. But before we proceed, I would like you to do something for me. Kindly hit the like button so this video can spread to more awesome people just like you. And if you're here to subscribe to this channel, please do us a favor, hit the subscription button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my video next time I post. Without further ado, let's get started. The first app we're going to be using is Binance, and the second one, don't worry, I will tell you the name when you send a DM to me on WhatsApp, so this updates no go cast. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus tip in which you will use and make more money while using these two apps. So let's get started.
Okay guys, like I said earlier, we are going to be making use of two applications in making this money. Okay, and the first application, like I said, is Binance. Okay, we'll be making use of Binance as the first application, and the second one that we'll be making use of, just send me a DM on WhatsApp and I will tell you the name of the other application so that our updates will not cast. Okay, just send me a DM on WhatsApp and I promise to tell you the name of the other application. So we'll basically be dealing with price in this arbitrage. Okay, we'll be dealing with price. And the good thing about this arbitrage is it can be done by anybody, whether you are a student or you are a sit-at-home mom, or maybe you are working and you needed a side hustle. This can still be used as a side hustle. Okay, so we'll be buying coin from Binance and we'll be sending it over to the other platform, and we are going to increase our price and sell in the other platform. Okay, so we're going to be using a huge capital in doing this arbitrage. Capital ranging from 100,000 naira, 200,000 naira to 300,000 naira or more. But let's just use 300,000 naira as our capital. Okay, now, Binance is selling their BTC. Let's use BTC for instance. Binance is selling their BTC for 16 million naira. That's what Binance is selling their BTC, 16 million naira. Okay, so let's go over to the other platform and check what the other platform is selling the same Bitcoin that Binance is selling for 16 million. Okay, this platform is selling that same Bitcoin that Binance is selling for 16 million naira. This platform is selling it for 16.1 million naira. That's what this platform is selling. Binance is selling 16 million naira, while this platform is selling 16.1 million naira. Okay, and when you look down here, you still seeing that some persons are still selling for 16.8 million naira. Okay, and some are still selling 16.9 million naira. And when you look down, you still find out that some persons are still selling it for 17 million naira. The same Bitcoin that Binance is selling for 16 million naira, some are still selling it. This platform is selling it for 17 million naira. Okay, so what we are going to be doing is we're going to be buying coin from Binance. We are going to be buying Bitcoin from Binance, Bitcoin of 300,000 naira from Binance. Then we'll send it over to this platform. Then when we send it over to this platform, we are going to increase our price and sell. Okay, now I made mention of giving you guys a bonus tip if you are to stay at the end of this video. So the bonus tip is this: when you are to buy coin from Binance, let's just say you bought Bitcoin of 300,000 naira from Binance and you want to send it over to this platform, increase your price and sell. Don't send that BTC direct from Binance to this platform. Don't send it direct. What you are going to do is when you buy that, when you buy coin BTC from Binance, convert it to USDT, send it to this platform as USDT, then convert it back to BTC. Okay, that's what you are going to do, because if you are to send direct from Binance to this platform, the transfer rate the charge is going to be high. Okay, the transfer rate is going to be high, and it will be affecting the profit you are going to be making in this arbitrage. So I recommend that when you buy the BTC from Binance, convert it to USDT. When you convert it to USDT, send it to this platform as USDT, then convert it back to BTC and sell. So when you've received it from this platform, don't just sell, increase your price, then activate your offer. Within 1 hour, you've already sold your coin, and you go back and do it again. The good thing about this is it's unlimited. Okay, someone like me, I trade 20 times in a day. Okay, so you can choose to trade more than me. You can choose to trade, you can do it as long as, like, when as your strength is, like, you can do it as much as you want. Okay, it's unlimited. This arbitrage is unlimited. Okay, so now you are going to buy Bitcoin of 300,000 naira. When you send it to this application, you can increase your price to 305,000 naira. You can increase your price to 310,000 naira. You can increase to 315,000 naira. And if I increase to 305,000, 5,000 will be like your profit. If it's 310,000, 10,000 naira will be your profit. If 315,000, 15,000 naira is going to be your profit. It depends on how much you want to increase. Okay. Then remember, you are converting it when you buy BTC from Binance. You are going to convert it to USDT and send it to this platform. Convert it back to USDT, increase your price, then activate your offer, and then sell it. Okay, now it's not must that you are going to be buying BTC. You can still choose to buy Ethereum, okay, and still do the same thing. Yeah, these people are selling their Ethereum for 1.4 million naira. Let's check how much Binance is selling their own Ethereum. Let's check how much Binance is selling their own Ethereum. Binance is selling their Ethereum for 1.1 million naira. You see, 1.1 million naira. And the other platform is selling their own Ethereum for 1.4 million naira. See, Binance is selling for 1.1 million naira. Okay, and the other platform is selling for 1.4 million naira. Let's go back to the other platform. You see, this platform is selling that same um Ethereum for 1.4 million naira. Okay, so it's not much that we're going to be using only BTC. We can still choose to use USDT. Okay, let's take USDT. Okay, you see, there's no one selling USDT here, so you can choose to be the first person that will come and be selling USDT here. Okay, and then if you, it's not still going to be only USDT. If you have SRP, okay, it's only one person that is selling SRP here. You can still choose to be the second person that will be selling SRP here. It's not much that is going to be BTC. Okay, you can choose to sell Ethereum, you can choose to sell USDT, you can still choose to sell SRP. Okay, like this USDT, there is no vendor here selling USDT, so you can choose to be the first person that will be selling USDT in this platform. Okay, within 1 hour you've already sold your coin, and you go back again to Binance, buy, send over to this platform, and still repeat the process. Okay, so guys, um this platform is very nice. Okay, so you just have to, like, utilize this opportunity. Just start from the blue ocean. Let's just say that your profit per trade is 5,000 naira. Okay, and you are to trade for like 10 times in a day. Okay, so let's calculate and see how much you'll be making for yourself if you are to trade for like 10 times in a day, and your profit per trade is 5,000 naira. Okay, now 5,000 naira 10. So guys, you can see you are making yourself 50,000 naira. Okay, in a day. 50,000 naira in a day. Guys, in Nigeria, some persons are taking home 20,000 naira as their monthly salary. Some persons, their monthly salary is 25,000 naira. Some are 30,000 naira. Okay, if you know someone that his or her monthly salary is like 15,000 naira in a month, let me know in the comment section. But for me, I'm very, very sure people are taking home 20,000 naira as their monthly salary, 25,000 naira and 30,000 naira for them again. But you've already made yourself 50,000 naira in a day. way more than someone's monthly salary. Okay, so I wasn't mistaken when I said that we're going to be making some person's monthly salary in a day using just 2 hours. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay, if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section and I'll be there to answer your question. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please guys, kindly hit the subscription button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any updates like this, so you don't miss any video like this. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, hit the like button in appreciation, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification. Until next time, I see you again guys. Peace.